from PDX.
I'm tired.
We're all really tired. I don't even know how much we slept.
We should just make a montage of all the clips of me yawning this morning.
Honestly, there's a lot. We're at the airport right now. We're going to LAX. It's currently 5:47 in the morning. Katie and I went to bed at 2 a.m. but we'll update you on what we're actually doing in a sec. Guys, we lost T1. There's T1.
Poor Taylor.
Poor T1.
Thank you so much. Good morning.
They got us seats together. Shout out to the people at Alaska Airlines. We're going to LA.
Try to keep from drowning from this world I'm found in. Gotta get out of my head. I just wanna live and let go and just lose control. Just lose control.
Okay, so we made it to LAX and we're figuring out this new Uber system. It's really interesting. It's all organized.
My word.
Whoa!
Nice. This is
Ooh,
so nice.
we have a fireplace.
So aesthetic.
Oh, look, we have lots of area, lots of room to get ready.
Lots of area. Wow.
Lots of area. Haha. There's a switch.
Oh. I was turning this.
We really never explained why we're here, what we're doing. It's the middle of midterms. Sometimes you just need a break from school, and we have weekends, and we pretty much have Fridays off. So we were doing the math, and the USC game was here this weekend. So I was like, wouldn't it be fun if we went to the game? And of course I was just talking about it like, oh, you know, it's never gonna happen, blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, what if we can make this happen? We did, and we're here. We're going to the game tomorrow. Today's Friday. This has been really great because I didn't get into the game last week because my ticket thing got messed up. If you follow me on Instagram, you heard the story, my little rant about the ticket situation at the University of Oregon. I'm gonna cry. So stinking cute. They look so happy and cuddly. You can't really see them very well. T1 went inside.
What if one person buys one of them and not the other ones?
The only way to protect that is for us to buy it. This might be our Uber. This is. Katie just
being
found
practical.
something. She's finally shopping. Oh my god. Well, Katie and I just balled out a little bit. I finally got a pair of light wash jeans that fit me though, so I'm really happy because I don't have light wash jeans. I just love that the Christmas decor is already up because it's November 1st. Oh my god. But I love this place. Bless you. This feels so amazing. Katie's feet hurt her so bad.
They're so blistered.
She's dying.
Oh, the cold in here feels so good on that.
My feet hurt. I love you dogs, but I'm telling you, you guys are no hiking boots. We're exploring because Katie's hungry.
So hungry. I low-key want to order 2 appetizers.
We have dinner reservations.
In 3 hours.
I know. I just ate, so.
Hours. She just ate a full meal.
Girls are ready. You
Hola.
guys look so cute. This is what we're all wearing. We're going to Gracias Madre. I'm gonna turn off the TV.
If this is the war that you are fighting, I wanna be on the front line.
Breakfast time with the girls. We've made it to the rooftop. It's really bright up here. We brought our smoothies from the Dialogue Cafe. We're mentally preparing for the game. We're not quite to the getting ready phase yet, but it's at 5 tonight, so we have a little bit of time. See, she brought her sunglasses. I didn't even bring mine, so I'm just struggling right now.
I was just like, wow, I look fabulous. Double chin and all, very nice.
We're very comfortable. The neck support on this is fantastic. I wish I had my book. We're getting ready for game day.
Heck yeah, baby.
Scudax.
Can't you see there's no other man above you?
We're ready for game day. We got ready, 117. We all made a TikTok, and I can't believe I just made a TikTok.
It's
really funny.
I
So
love
go use
TikToks.
your stalker qualities and try to find the TikTok. We hit the Coliseum. Let's go. I'm gonna vlog on my phone.
Yo, what was that girl's name again? Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Oh, was it
Jenny?
Nah, it was Susan. Oh!
We are currently shook at how nice these sorority and fraternity houses are.
It feels like an actual
There's
movie. Like,
food.
look at like the balloons.
There is
and everything.
security at the Pi Beta Phi house. This is crazy. We're waiting for our friends and then we're gonna go inside one of the tailgates.
It's all good, I be chillin' now. Got a big fucking booty, can you stick it out? Stick it out like.
Everyone thinks we're Trojan fans.
I feel like a
But
bad
we're really Ducks. But we're wearing USC sweatshirts. Go Ducks. T1 is working out right now. How is the game so far?
So good.
We're winning by a lot, so we're also in disguise in our sweatshirts. So yeah, don't tell anyone. Our duck stuff's underneath.
Oregon, great lifestyle in Oregon.
We're back! Guys, our feet hurt really badly. The docks are wonderful, but sometimes they are just not the move. We had just literally the best game day ever. Everything was so much fun. I got to meet up with my uncle. We sat in the Oregon section and then we snuck over to the student section and we wore our USC hoodies to be in disguise. And then when we were winning by such a large amount, we just took our hoodies off and we were like, honestly, you know, we're protected. They can't get mad at us now. But yeah, it was fun. And then we got tacos afterwards. I didn't vlog that, but we were starving. Took our Uber back and We took our Uber back and now we are here. We're gonna try to find a TV show. You look so cute with your bun. Now I want a bun. I want to get a hair tie.
I've never been so happy to lay in a bed. I want to make more TikToks.
It's so tall.
Your buns always are so know-me.
I have so much hair. I'll keep you updated on when we do the rest of it. Woke up, we were starving, so we came here. We got lots of. T1 really balled out.
Double fisting.
I got my lavender latte and an avocado toast. It was fantastic. And today's our last day in LA, so we're just gonna explore. The packing is beginning.
No!
Sadly, we're listening to my favorite morning song right now that I've been annoying them with all weekend. We've made it to the pool. I'm gonna attempt to do some studying right now. So let's hope I can memorize this before tomorrow.
I'm so happy.
We just took some photos. I'm still cranking away at my study guide, so we're trying to get it done. No, seriously, I can't close it. I'm sitting on it. Good thing these things are flexible. Sit on the edge. This is some teamwork, right? Oh my god, yeah, T1. Keep going. Nice.
No matter what you believe, it comes naturally.
We made it to LAX. The girls are getting their Starbucks. We all feel like it's midnight. Are you sure that's yours?
Why does it say this? Let's go do airport shenanigans.
Like what?
I don't know.
Hide and go seek?
Hide and go seek in the airport?
No, I gotta study.
Dreams, but am I so afraid to let you see? Lead me to water, can't make me a believer, but you can sink me deeper.
What are the odds that that's what my phone just opened up to?
Yeah, TBT to the cute boy that T1 sat next to.
We were just talking about the cute boy. He has a girlfriend. The girlfriend is sleeping.
Said it won't happen again. Let somebody in. It comes naturally.
We made it. Oh, home. We're home. She was asleep against the window like this with her hand right here. Thank you. Then I'd have to change angles because I hurt his feeling. But then I tried to put her seat back for her while she was sleeping, trying to be like nice and all, but it got really herky-jerky, so it like jolted her backwards. But I'm gonna end the video here because we have to drive back to Portland. Bye, vlog. Oh, you
Guys, pray for T1. Comment that down below.
I am not well.
Welcome to Portland. I love you guys.
Bye, vlog. We love you so much.
Have a fun-filled weekend. Bye.
Don't you know I'm way too weak to swim? Can't you feel the waves come crashing in? Running out of safety nets, 'cause every night